Good morning, student. Today I will start chapter number 3, MS Excel Advanced Features. In this chapter, today I will see the data validation. This is very important features in MS Excel. Open MS Excel. I think everyone knows how to open the MS Excel. First, click on the Start button, All Programming, Microsoft Office, and then from that Microsoft Office you select a MS Excel. Excel is when opening the Microsoft Excel you enter the information or data. See properly, student, in that video I uploaded the data in the Excel sheet. Today I will show the how to do the data validation in MS Excel. That is the very important point because of SSC board exam. Student marks you want to enter, then for example you take 100 marks paper is there, and by mistakenly I entered 102, then computer will not accept values. Suppose you take a 20 marks paper, our unit test 20 marks paper is there, and 20 marks, otherwise I will enter the 25 marks, then computer will not accept the values because of I entered a 25 and how much paper marks is there, 20. In there, in Microsoft Excel I will use the data validation. When I will enter the wrong, computer will give the response. Now see, here 31 and 32 number is there. I want to write there 33. By mistakenly when I will enter the another part, then see what happening. I will use the validation in that cell. I will click on the data validation that present in the data tab. When you select the data tab, then dialog box will be appear. In that dialog box different type of rules used, and with help of that rules you use. See properly, here I selected whole numbers greater than, and I will write here 0, and then I will use the OK button. Now I will enter the value. See, when I will enter here any one of the text, computer will not accept, giving the message you are entered invalid, otherwise not valid, because of here want only digits. See, when I use a 0, then also not accepting, message showing data validation, because of see here when I will enter the 33 number will accept automatically, because of in there only I did the data validation. That is the very important part in our computer field. See, I will show in the name list, I will select validation. From there text length between greater than I will select formula, and in there I will write 4 text, then I will click on the OK button. When I will 3 text, then computer will not accept. See here I will enter the 3 letters only. See, message came because of 3 letter. How much I want? At least more than 4 or more than 4 letter. More than 4 letter is there, then I will automatically our computer and in MS Excel accept the values. That is the data validation. Keep in mind. This is very important features used in Microsoft Excel. Now again one time I will see the point, validation point. See, I will select the which type of message you want. Here error alert told, which message you want, you write in the text box in that title, stop, wrong, information symbol, see properly, stop symbol, see properly here, I will write the message. Title I will write. Which message will display after the validation? Invalid entry, then what? See purple here. I wrote here, hey, stop it. In that message, I will write, you need to enter a longer than name. Then I will click OK button. Then see, I will enter the only 3 letters. Message came. Hey, stop it, upper side, and message see properly. You need to enter a longer than name. That is the message. This type of the message you want to change, then also possible with help of selection method, that validation point. Okay, I will show the again one more point in that validation. In the C column, numbers is there, a different type of numbers. I will show there also. See, in this all row I selected. In that row I will use the validation. I will click on there, setting. Then I will select here text length between. From there I will select less than and the number 1, maximum number 1. Now see, that will be applied there. I enter the information in the cell. See properly here. I wrote maximum, then automatically came the message. Particular only information you want in that data validation, then you accepting the values. Otherwise our computer or MS Excel showing the validation rules. Now see, I will change here message. I will select wrong symbol, see properly. Title I want to change now. Top many, that title I wrote, you have to enter a more than 32. Then I will click on the OK button. Now see, I will enter the information. See, message came, yellow color. Which message I typed there, that message came here. That is the information about the data validation. Data validation is very important part. Chapter number 3, MS Excel advanced features. This is the one advanced features used in our computer field. Every student do the practical on the computer. You have the computer, then you do the practical on the computer. Otherwise MS Excel application download from the internet. I think this data validation in MS Excel mobile app, this feature is not included. You want to computer only, with help of computer it is possible to do their data validation. Thank you very much. After watching this video, you click on the complete button. After completing this chapter, I will send one exercise in the form of PDF.